Hey traders, Raghee here, and in this Wednesday update, first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for all of you members, non-members, viewers, long-time viewers, first-time viewers. Thanks for your time, and even more so, thanks for your interest in learning how to trade, becoming better traders, educating yourself. My thanks and admiration, first of all. As we go into Thanksgiving, it's not something that we want to just save for this Thursday and Thanksgiving, but all year long. Very grateful for the community that we have. And with that being said, this week is for all intents and purposes done, right? I mean, we have this little half-day session on Friday. We've got the FOMC meeting minutes that have already come out, which frankly sent the markets arguably lower for about 2 5-minute candles, maybe 10 minutes. And then we've just sort of leveled off up at the heights for the most part that we've climbed to throughout today's session since the open. And one thing that's really interesting, and granted there's still some time left in the day as I record this, but one of the things that's really quite interesting to me is that we have yet to take out, trade through, and stay above the Tuesday high. This is the S&P. You can see right there, there's your Tuesday high. Have yet to take that out. NASDAQ. And you'll notice we've come very close on the ES. On the NQ, this is really almost an inside candle, but I believe we have a lower low by about 16 points in today's session. So again, have yet to take out this Tuesday high. Taking a look at the Dow, which has been trading inside the wave, also testing that Tuesday high, but not quite trading through it. And what I'll be really interested to see is not necessarily if we break it on Friday. I would prefer we do it on Monday, where we have a full session and arguably more complete volume. But if we're going to see upside follow through, the whole idea of this conversation is what is that trigger to the upside? And it's going to be this resistance that we're seeing put in. Again, the markets aren't selling off on the minutes, but they're not quite getting higher through that level. And that's what I'll be looking for come ideally next week as we wrap up the month of November. Do traders really want to go into December? Sure. We are in the 2 phases we've talked about of the Santa rally. One part of that phase, regardless of the index you're looking at, kicks in at the end of October, basically around October 31st, and takes us through Thanksgiving. And while the Dow pulled back a little sooner, this weakness into Thanksgiving is not unusual. But after Thanksgiving, we typically, again, kind of the yearly rhythm of the market, we tend to head higher into just in front of Christmas. So it's not going to be unusual that perhaps about 5 to 7 days in front of the Christmas holiday that we start to see the next little pullback. And then we're going to see, again, the rhythm would suggest, we're going to see that rally into New Year. So if this is the little pullback that we're going to get, I want to be still pretty bullish. The structure still validates it. Remember, I'm not just looking for a buy because of the year-end window dressing Santa rally, which are actually all 3 different things, but still very related. I'm looking at the long because the structure is still confirming that here at the bottom of the screen, our JT multi. We're getting a bit of a dip. And the rhythm, yes, of the market would suggest, all right, we'll sell off a little bit into Thanksgiving, and then going into December, we'll just start to renew that year-end rally. That's what I'm on the lookout for. Watch for those Tuesday session highs to get broken out. That's going to be, for me, a very important trigger. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.